Welcome to week 5 of the OBS Guided Study Group. Week 5, we'll be covering several subjects concerning video and bit rates. The coursework for week 5 is in the details down below. Basically, it involves watching 2 pages of text and watching 3 videos. And the videos cover what file format should you use, recording settings walkthrough, and a setup tutorial, and what bitrate should you use. Should be fairly simple stuff. Later, of course, not this coming Monday, but a week from Monday, there will be the 8 p.m. live Q&A question concerning the coursework for this week. There are, in the links below, also some related groups you might want to pay attention to. As always, if you have questions about this week's coursework, please leave them as comments to this recording or as comments in the user community in the OBS study group category. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.